Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my all-time favorite mask for achieving that radiant, glowing skin. Saying goodbye to wrinkles and dark spots. So, if you want to unveil the natural beauty of your skin, make sure to keep watching till the end. To make this miraculous flaxseed mask, start with 2 cups of water and a half cup of ground flaxseed. The ground flaxseed is essential as it allows for the release of more nutrients and creates a smoother consistency for your mask. Before we proceed further, here's a crucial tip for you all. Always ensure to use organic and high-quality flax seeds for your mask. Organic flax seeds ensure that your skin absorbs all the natural goodness, without the interference of pesticides or other harmful chemicals. Investing in good quality flax seeds is investing in the health and beauty of your skin. Now, place the water and flax seeds in a pot and set it to medium heat. Stir it continuously for about 15 minutes. Once you notice a white foam on the surface and the water attaining a gel-like consistency, turn off the heat. This consistency is key to making an effective mask. Let the mixture cool down completely and then use a clean, thin cloth to extract the gel. This method ensures you get a smooth, lump-free gel. Transfer the gel to a clean, airtight container. You can store this gel for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Apply the flaxseed mask all over your face and neck, and leave it on for about 20 minutes until completely dry. Then, wash it off with cold water and follow up with your regular skincare routine. You will notice an instant boost of glow and smoothness in your skin. Now, why is flaxseed a miracle for your skin? Flaxseed is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which have incredible skin healing and nourishing properties. They can help reduce redness, irritation, and inflammation, promoting healing and reducing the occurrence of acne, eczema, dermatitis, and other skin conditions. Flaxseed is also high in antioxidants, including lignans. Lignans help to fight against damage from free radicals, which can contribute to skin aging and wrinkles. Flaxseed improves the skin's elasticity, making it firmer and more toned. Flaxseed is rich in vitamins, especially vitamin E, which is known for its ability to support healthy skin. Vitamin E helps in the regeneration of skin cells, keeping the skin looking youthful and vibrant. It helps in balancing the natural oil production of the skin, beneficial for both oily and dry skin types. The nutrients in flaxseed aid in reducing dark spots and hyperpigmentation, leading to a more even skin tone. The antioxidants in flaxseed support collagen production, crucial for maintaining the skin's strength and elasticity. Flaxseed on its own is amazing for your skin, but what if I told you that you could enhance its benefits with just a simple addition? For an added boost of hydration and anti-aging properties, mix the flaxseed gel with a few drops of vitamin E oil. This combination is perfect for reducing wrinkles and fine lines, giving you that youthful, rejuvenated skin. Or try adding rice water to the flaxseed gel. Rice water is known for its brightening properties, making your skin even more radiant and helping to fade those stubborn dark spots. Feel free to get creative and tailor your flaxseed mask to meet your skin's unique needs. There you have it, lovelies. The ultimate flaxseed mask that will transform your skin, making it glow, and reducing wrinkles and dark spots. Remember, consistency is key. Use these masks 2-3 times a week for the best results. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss any beauty secrets. Until next time, stay beautiful and healthy.